following segment is sponsored by Deseret News Home Show. Have you ever thought about picking up your life, completely packing it up, and traveling the world in a van? Well, Trent and Allie did just that, and they are doing that, and they're here to tell us how we can start our own epic adventures. Welcome to the show, you two. Great to see you.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. Okay, first question. Why was this something that you wanted to do? This is so cool.
Honestly, we really wanted to get out and travel and basically see the country and do a lot of rock climbing and mountain biking, and I was sick of setting up a tent and like cooking in the dirt and doing things like that, and buying a camper was really expensive, so we decided to convert a van ourselves, and it turned out great.
And do it all yourself. Yeah. How did you do this? How did you convert your own van? Was it a long time coming?
A lot of trial and error.
Okay.
A lot of YouTube research, and then just giving it a good, honest try.
Okay, how did you feel about it, Allie? Were you kind of on the same page?
I was really excited about the end goal, the process throughout the transformation. It takes a lot of determination and patience, but we worked through it.
How did it change your lives after that?
Honestly, we went on a 2-month trip in our very first van and just fell in love with the lifestyle of living more minimally and decided to sell that van, build out a new one, and live in it full time.
Wow, so full time. Is that what you're doing currently?
Not anymore, because
a lot has transpired since then.
Okay, a few things.
So we lived in it for about 2 years, and we drove all the way down to the tip of South America and then had to abandon our van in Argentina when COVID broke out.
Oh my gosh.
So we had to reevaluate kind of everything in our life and come back to Utah vanless.
Yeah, vanless. Are you originally from, where are you from, here?
Trent's from Utah and I'm from Washington, D.C., but I claim Utah now.
You claim Utah. This is your home. Yeah. What are some of the favorite places that you visited?
We really loved Mexico. We got engaged in Guatemala, so that was like
so cool.
One of the awesome places.
I mean, Colombia and Ecuador, Machu Picchu. We just had an incredible time connecting with the people and the cultures in all 16 different countries, I think, that we traveled through.
Yeah.
Wow. Is there any advice for someone who's thinking of doing this? What would you say to them? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can't wait until you're ready. Like, that's probably the biggest piece, is everybody says like, oh, I want to do that, but I need this, or I've got to have that, and you have to just kind of go for it and not be ready.
Yeah,
you just go for it.
Yeah.
Were there ever nights that you're like, what are we doing? Why did we do this? Or were you, for the most part, 95% like, this was the right decision?
It was always the right decision until people would try to break into the van at night while we were sleeping. And we had a couple incidents where we were definitely scared out of our minds and questioning every decision that had gotten us to where we were so far.
Sure. But everything else, I'm sure, was worth it, though. And they're going to be at the Deseret News Home Show this weekend. Tell us about that.
So we're going to be speaking today at 5 p.m. and then tomorrow at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m.
It's going to be great.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Well, we want to learn all the tips and tricks because I know this is everybody wants to be doing this. So if we can get advice from you guys, that's amazing. The show starts today. It runs all the way through Sunday. You go to the website on your screen for more information. Trent and Allie, great to see you. Thanks for being here, and congrats.
Thank you.
You guys did something so cool. Great to see you.